Look at my surrounding. I'm not there yet, though. You can't tell. Farrin me there.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing ooh na na, ooh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing ooh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? Yeah, man, I 876 by Bert, man. Look at my surrounding. I'm not there yet, though. You can't tell. Farrin me there. Anyways, people, but they are New York, so yo, the weather crappy at New York, see? Yeah, the weather crappy, people. Today is supposed to be a good day. It's supposed to go well. I think it did go up to 80. I'm not sure. Right now about 77 or 76 right now, see? But I'm there for a couple of days now, and the weather crappy, people. Today is a good day. I'm there in Brooklyn. I say, yo, man, I don't know you, sir. Anybody know them place, huh? Yeah, look on the surrounding. So, I say I'm supposed to. I say I'm going to the Bronx, you see me? Yeah, have a look at mall in the Bronx out of Chester. So I'm going to go out there. Not necessarily I do no shopping. As I say, people, yeah, Farrin with them. I did there in Miami, and then I left Miami, I come to New York. You see me? And then I go back to Miami in about a week or so, because as I said, today it is mostly sunny, and right now we're in a Jew. I got the train station right now for going in the Bronx, as I say. We're in a Jew, you see me? So yeah, I go to the mall, go see if I can. Honestly, people, like, I have a brother living in the Bronx, and he moved different state and everything, you see me? And I kind of didn't know that mall there. And it wasn't a bad mall, it did nice and everything, so I just decided to say I go out there, you see it? Yeah, other malls around the place still, but who live in Bronx and know Chester out of Co-op City, who know the new mall, well, it's not really new, see, but who know out there so know say the mall is nice, really, you see me? People come out all in my sunglasses and everything, come here and say, yeah, out there supposed to be scorching. Right now, it's not cold though, you know. It does normal. It's not hot and it's not cold, it does normal. The other day they make the kind of put it cold, you see me? I don't know, especially when the breeze blow, the wind chill, can't manage it, you see me? But as I say, I'm there, I say people, I'm there. Big up New Yorkers, them, you see me? Yeah, man, all who always watching video them from New York, big up on yourself when I don't know the thing. I'm there in our hometown. Where you there? I look at me now soon, I'm there. In our hometown, I'm there, I look at me now soon. You see me? But yeah, people, we're in a June, more hurry and reach at the train station, you see me? I gotta run, yeah. So when I don't know the thing going on, so check in back, Zin. Just give me a few, Zin. Yeah. Look out the road, in our hometown. One of there. I'm in our hometown, I'm not soon. One of there. So check in back, Zin. Yeah. So check in back, people. Alright, we're there on Avenue D in Brooklyn. I just come off of New York Avenue, you see me? Yeah, man. So New York Avenue D, there's somebody that race, you see me? So yeah, man, I'm so checking back my people, see it? Reaching the subway, but I just remember to me not even remember, because I have a weekly pass so I did buy it, but that did expire. It expired, I think yesterday it expired, so stay so I'm come down and say I buy a day pass. You see me, but I have two things. them not, me not see the day pass being offered by the machine there, so plus the machine not take cash. And me never remember that. Oh, people that train them they are taking up. Yeah, man, I tell the 5 train, you see me? Express, straight in our Bronx. So tell you no story, but anyways, them let me in for free. You see me? Yeah, them let me in, so check in, people. You see me?
This is a Manhattan-bound 5 train. The next stop is Beverly Road.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Alright people, so I'm going to the Golden Crest, I go look some food, you see me? Yeah, hold on. Menu wanna look bad. Menu wanna look good.
It's not a thing no more.
So you want to add it?
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, good evening. Just a check the menu soon. Alright. That over there, so barbecue.
The wings and the chicken.
Oh, barbecue chicken.
Barbecue wings.
Okay. Alright, yeah, we can get that now. Want a large one.
That's the chicken.
The chicken. Rice and peas.
The jam plantain.
Yeah.
The jam plantain.
Yeah. How much are serving for the mac and cheese?
350 something. Cheap.
The cheap. Cheap is something like cheap. Oxtail gravy over the rice, please. Eh? You're not done? You forget more meat? Alright, so to it now. I'm getting serving a mac and cheese, so please. You hear me, friend? That is, I'm getting serving a mac and cheese, so please. Okay, you hear me? Alright, sorry. It worth it. It worth it. Thanks.
I want to see man. Queen Ivita.
Thank you. Thank you. Seafood there, people. Yeah. Barbecue chicken, plantain, cabbage, rice and peas, oxtail gravy, and Have a look at mac and cheese right there, so see there. Yeah, you see me. So me I go in at this time I done, me have a little walking for do. So me I not go reason while me I walk, see? Yeah. Alright people, so I just done brush the food. Hey, look behind me there, so I don't know if you can see behind me good, but I have some Jehovah's Witness there behind me. So them just stand up and humble themselves. Them a circle themselves. Unu Jehovah's Witness where they are Jamaica, on the top walk up and down and knock on people door and then sitting there. You know what I say? Yeah man, tap knock on people gate and then sitting there. And when people are passing out a road, una annoy them. People can't even walk past una in a peace for una step to them. You see what I say? Anyways, pick up yourself if you're a Jehovah's Witness still, see? I have an auntie who is a Jehovah's Witness. Auntie, pick up yourself. But she know what I can knock people do though. Yeah. Anyways. So I'm gonna eat off the mac and cheese. It's salt. Salt people, it's salt. You see me? And I did enough food that to still. Me da wonder what me da go do with it, you know. You see me? So yeah, I'm gonna eat it off. What me did ask them for a crust. Cause you know what, I don't know if you know a crust. When I used to younger, I used to eat one something and buy a patty shop named Crust and Cheese. You see me? Yeah, used to buy that. And them used to sell the crust by itself. But the woman I say, she not do that no more. Them not do that no more. So you know say yo, yeah. That out of the picture. You see me? Yeah, that out of the picture people. So I never get that, you see it. But yeah, so it go. But as I say yo, I'm there in the Bronx, you see me? The Golden Cross is on Gun Hill Road. Yeah. And me I got Beachester Mall. I think I could take a bus. But honestly, I don't know which bus to take. I can Google it, yeah, but yeah, I know. Alright, so pharmacies today, so you know, I for CVS or right here or what used to there, so but yeah, pharmacy used to there somewhere off this. So. You see me? Yeah. So as I say, yeah, I come from Gun Hill Road. Open out here me properly, you know. Yeah. So them are the first set of video them I do with the GoPro. I actually not finished set it up yet and them something there. When we didn't the train, me that try to set some of the settings them to what I know about, like from my previous GoPro settings that I used to have. I try to remember them and put them in and things. I don't know if I get it right, but if the video don't look good, just bear with me. You see me? We soon sort it out the real way. You see what I say? Yeah, as I say, this is like the first set of video them. Alright? Yeah, first set of video them I do with this. Yeah, so the train station around this are Gun Hill Road. I think the last time there, I think it did done. Yeah, I think it did done. Because I know them that fix it up. 1 year me did there, them that fix it up. And then me dip on one side. So when you go, you couldn't take the train there, so the train stop there because of the construction we did go and so you have to go on next station, either the stop before or the stop after for catch a train, you see me? I think I left it there so when they dip on one side, but we did come last year, you know. And I think I come at that station there. I think it did done last year too. You see me? I think it did done last year. It look clean. And me have to say this because I know disrespect to the people who live in New York still, but when you know the city is very dirty, right? Yeah man, it's dirty. Can't manage it, it's dirty. You see me? Yeah man, it's dirty, you see it? People must just look around and pay attention to my surroundings because you know what road me there, you see me? Yeah. Although in the past when I used to stay around them side there, never really hear about no great nothing. But an idea this is the Bronx. You see it, so you still have to alert all on the people. I need to turn on the rear display. I need to turn on display on the side so I can see what I go on to. Because I need to make sure I hold the camera right. As I say, it's been a while since I have vlog back with a GoPro, so you know. Yeah, I also want to make sure I say everything good, angles them, and you know my head now cut off and now see my chin, and yeah. But also want to make sure I say it alright. So just give me a second. Alright people, so yeah, hey people, look here, look on the road name here. Whenever you can see it, good name Taiman Avenue. Uno bad breed girl pick there. I food the road that. Yeah man, Taiman Avenue. You see me? But here my people, we just there go and shampoo. What I actually do to I just change out the battery, because the battery I did get low. That run low, that about 17% or so on it. So I just change it out, you see me? Yeah. As I say, you know, people, we're there in the Bronx, you know. Yeah, we're there in the Bronx, one park over there, so. Man, them play ball and everything one time there in the cool. Now, winter, man, them over there in the gloves and tam and all sort of thing, a kickball. I say, yo, that's some yard man too, you know. Yeah. That little ends here, right, that's still a mostly yard man and Spanish people there, so still, is it? Yeah, well, when the time them were meet it there, I'm mostly Jamaicans and Spanish, I see that side there. But yeah. Park there. The ball game look like it's about for a roll too. You see me? Yeah. I'm just say, yo, Rika, big up yourself, you know. So people, Rika link me and Rika, as I tell Rika, say, yo, Rika, I'm not up on the ground, you know. Rika say, yo, any for vlog? Want to see how in the States look too? Hey, one bag of thing. I'm going to say, Rika, I'm going to do up the maths, you see me? But yeah, man, Rika, big up yourself, you see it? Yeah, man, big up yourself, man, you don't know the thing, go. All ice cream truck and all them things, they come out, you know. So, as me that, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, I tell you to say, today is actually a good day. You see me? Yeah, today is a good day, like for the weather. You see me? When we did in Brooklyn, it said the high was 79 or 80 there about. When we did check the weather earlier for Yasso, it said the weather was 84, the high would have been 84. Right now I know it dropped a little bit and it kinda little bit chilly because it's windy and all that, so it's a little chilly, not a lot. It's bearable because I see me there on my t-shirt and something still. And ice cream I sell on them something there, but people the New Yorker them love tell me how them weather are good weather, and not even today. Today is a great day for them. Huh? 70, 80? A great day for them today, man. Me I tell you, man. You see me? Yeah, great day for them today, but more time it in the 50s and the 40s, them tell me about a nice weather and a sort of madness. Yeah, man, I want to tell me that. Nobody tell me that. You see me? Need to chill. All the people from cold place, them about nice weather. People that growing here was my growing, you know, when we used to there, so, you know. Yeah, usually stay here, so, you know. Yeah, man. Look a girl that come now, I don't really want to turn the camera on her like that, but yeah. It's definitely my ground. Right, that's how I used to stay, people. That yard there. Yeah. Bronco used to live there, so you see me, Bronco, big up yourself. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, Bronco used to love New York. I never know say Bronco would have left us. But I rather Yasso, I rather the Bronx than Brooklyn people. I swear, because Brooklyn too dirty, man. Dirty, like down a town. And I'm pretty sure you have places in the Bronx where people are going to tell us say ghetto and it's dirty and it's way too. You see me? But yeah, it is what it is. Is it? Yeah. So we usually left from up there, so I just show now. The yard there. And I usually just walk, come down here and go to the mall, is it? I usually just come and walk and go to the mall. So when me that tell you earlier, say when we did there at Brooklyn, before I go in at the subway, when me that tell you, when I go in at the subway, so them have the machine for you buy the card for actually like the Metro card, for ride the trains in. So what go on is the machine no take cash. You see me, I did have a metro card with a 1 week pass, but it expires, me I tell you now. So I go there, so I buy a day pass. I still don't know say I take cash, you know. I go there, punch in, I try search the options them for say, me buy a day pass. Nah, see the option nah, nothing nah, really. So I say, when I go at the booth, because all of them places they have a booth, them have a booth where somebody is in there, like information, if you want info, somebody in there and them will give you information and thing, you see it? So I say, alright, I go at the booth, you see me? And people, as I say, forgive me if the camera angle kind of off, you know, as I say, just I get back, you see it? Yeah. So I say, I go at the booth, see it? Whoa, got the boot now, I tell the lady, I say, hey, there's no option for a day pass? Like, you see me? She say, oh, you don't take cash? I say, oh, Jaja no. Never ask her nothing about cash, you know, I ask her for an option for day pass. But, you know, sometimes they're ignorant and them look a thing there. She assumes I probably have something about cash or whatever. So she started me saying take cash, which anyways, I'm grateful for that info because I never did a pre that either. You see me? So now I have to be mindful of that. So she actually say, yo, I have to go on. So she buzz and let me through. Now in New York, all the New Yorker them know, especially people who ride the subway, a simple thing for go up on the train them. Simple thing. Normally when one train come, sometimes the people them open the emergency door. So who does people just go there and stand up. People just open the door. Sometimes some people have them card. Them buzz at the turnstile, them swipe at the turnstile, them go through with for them pass, and then because them see people out there stand up, them just come open the emergency door and let in the people them. No, you're not supposed to do it. You see me? Yeah, you're not supposed to do it. And I think you can probably get charged or something for it. I'm not really too sure. I'm not live here, I don't know. But I think so. So stay so boom bang, and you know I could have do that. Like it's very easy to do that, people. It's not hard. You don't need fear for go up on the subway. You don't need it. And just in case you might wonder, $2.90 now for ride the train. So $2.90. When we did there last year, it was $2.75. I think them raised it. Or I don't even know if it they raised before last year. But normally at $2.75 we used to pay. $2.90 now, is it? Yeah. So yeah. I could have do that and just go through and them something, but I don't want to do that. You see me? Like, you know, them love say puss and dog now have the same luck. Right now, I come here, so I don't really come here for spend a long time like when I usually come here, come spend months. But just stay up on the ground. You see me? For a short little while. And then I say, I go back down south. You see me? Yeah. Down in Florida. So, I say puss and dog now have the same luck, you know, so I'm not really running the risk right now. And can't bother with none of them police thing right now. It look away all in a star for you see man get deported. Like who get deported on a visa? Normally when you live at a place, no. You see me? So yeah. So I decide say yo, I not really run the risk. I just do my thing. The right way, is it? Yeah. Plus, you know that deer, you know so serious. You see me? Yeah. Plus a whole heap of pagan. I know, you know. No for them I watch you dirty pagan, yeah. A whole heap of them want to hear bad things about me too, you know. So, you see me? Yeah, man. So we not give them nothing for talk and nothing for laugh, boy. You hear that? Yeah. Nothing at all. So yeah, I'm showing back out the road there. Showing back out the road there. So we just go over the mall, go look. You see it? Yeah. So I go over the mall, go look. People before me stop up there, so when me stop up there, so before me start back the camera, you know. You see a brother? Man drunk your fret. People say look at something up on the ground. The water, squirrel and them thing there, animals and them thing there. Let off one little buzzing sound like. Where it's supposed to be deafening to them animal there. Yes, so if you have animal run up and down in the yard and them something there, you can buy one of them little thing there on Amazon. You see me? It give off one little weird sound. Yeah. So yeah, one time of the day so I stay too. them house here, them they just done. Yeah, them they just done. That was me, I try to remember what year. If I did like about 2019 that. Probably about 2019. Or I don't think that 2018. Think about 2019 it was. But no for them house I never rent out. Them they advertise for rent. You see me? Yeah. They advertise for rent out no for them. But them they just don't build them. You see me? When if you can't hear the traffic people, but highway they right down there so. On main road there so then a highway they down there so I think you can take it for go Connecticut. Yeah, I think if you go Connecticut so they say you go up on it. And that entrance you go up on and go up. You see it? So yeah. Yeah people, when we stop up this so now say me I change the battery and now whatever. See I brother up there man like him fully drunk. Either that or he hype on something. But he not sober at all. You see me? Yeah man. Be a thing the man I go on with. Be a foolishness. You see me? Yeah, be a foolishness. I'm frost out me I tell you. I look on it, I say yo Jano, and then see the man drive off gone towards one major main road, the man gone towards. You see me? But pretty sure people are gonna call the police because people been a look on him too and all them something that too. So people are gonna call the police. You see me? Yeah. And him gonna spend a night which probably really deserve in a jail cell, you see it? Yeah, cause foolishness him go on with. Yeah. Think don't you say it have a little jerk man, you know. Have a little jerk man. Yeah man, see me a jerk king. Look like him jerking right now though. Like he not really come around it. Yeah, it no look so. You know this one here sell food too. But yeah so jerk man yeah? Yeah man, he used to a buzz man. Music a play out here and be a thing. You know, look like he locked down and now go and feed. I know you have people but I say it look. But that's always a little spot. Time meet there. Another little thing I go on out there. The big blow. This is smoothie and ray. Yeah, juice and them thing them sell this up. So you roll up this way and tell them say you carry no car Connecticut. And we need to cross people. Got them all the out so. People need to cross the road. The traffic look like it has come for days. Alright, the traffic look like it stopped. Drive up my brother. Brothers. Can't cross it people. The traffic serious, I can't cross it. Traffic can come from up so. Traffic can come from up the road up there so I can't cross it. I'm gonna try again. Don't look so clear. I must look like it clear too. Alright, see there? Yeah, clear. Yeah man, so as me I tell you now. People sorry about the nice. But as I say within here, you see I mean already. But yeah, as I tell you now, we usually just walk come out of mall. Yeah, that me usually do. Usually just walk come out of mall people at daytime when I'm there. Because more time usually there I'm bored. You know? Yeah, so I just walk come there more while. People I want them can get across right to say blow out traffic. Like change for me. Hold on there. And now them carriers start. It had to run out before them bus the while ago, you know, but I want to come here and get lit down. The airport they close by, you know. I don't know if the camera pick up the plane there still, but yeah, the airport they close by, nothing but plane. Alright, we're supposed to can cross here now. Instead of one here. Germany blast come, oh my turn. So why am I van him indicate? Oh! People don't know about them bike here, right? All like foreigners them. We know about them bike there. You just ride them and then when I think when the time run out, anyway time run out, they say you have to left it. Yo, when you think them bike they could have there Jamaica. When you talk the truth, they know something like city bike and them thing, they wanna go ride around the city. Would you tell me if you think if them they could have there? Tell me if you think them they could have there yard. What do you think? Would you think so? With them people, you ever there with their yard? Yo, listen to me, man. Me don't think them bike they could have their yard. Man, them a crack that. Man, them a crack that code there, unlimited. Man, them a run. When them done flash that. Never tell you, when them done flash that, man. And jailbreak it. Yeah. When them done flash and jailbreak that, man, ain't nothing pretty. I tell you no. Big man thing. Hold on there. Come out the road there, you know? Yeah. So, right so, you have the mall as I tell you now. But you also have another, what do I call it? Set a place where you can shop to. You see me? Because as you see right so it's a Bay Plaza. It's Burlington, Marshalls, Ashley, Nike. All sort of something. All sort of something. Panera bread, Staples, all sort of things. You see me? And I want a little bag because I have some little thing in my hand. This is a battery pack for your GoPro. Come with 3 battery in it. I have the case for my headset. 2 what I need for put in a bag. I have a portable charger with my portable battery. You know them portable battery charger there. And my charging cable. I just want to put in a bag. You see it? Because them in my pocket. And them kind of bulky. So I go in a Marshalls and see if I say. Now only know we Jamaica never find a little cheap place them already. And you know Marshall them place they are cheap place. DSW for shoes. You see me? Yeah. Marshall, Ross. So up at them side there, Marshall are the place. Like when I notice, when I up so, Marshall are a little cheap store. Down so, a Ross and them place. When I there Florida, Ross and them place there. You see me? Burlington always Burlington anywhere you go. You see me? Yeah. Always Burlington anywhere you go. So I go in there and see if I see. I see if I see a little bag. You know, like them little man purse there, one strap on them. Something like that more. You see me? I don't know if it go there because another thing I notice like yeah so the clothes them different. You have to definitely come here so like it's summertime. Forget the thing them. You see me? But let's see. Let's see people. I notice that the clothes them kinda different when they come. Excuse me. Yeah, I notice the clothes them kinda different when I come here so in time yeah. But yeah, the people them with on an online store in Jamaica, they come in and say come buy down in here so and buy out half a sheet and then come tell the people how much in $1,000. You don't need to stop it. You don't need to stop it. I'll be a female back there on us, people.
I need my blanket.
Be a female back. Ines always have nice suitcase too, you know. Yeah, I always have nice suitcase too. I think my last set of suitcase them too. I think it's on the Ines or Burlington me buy. But I don't know. Handbag and accessory. But they're the wrong place, people. They know over here so look like a woman. You want to find a man. Yeah, cause yeah, man, definitely woman things over here, so yeah, man, woman, be a woman things. You go cross over there, so look like over so at the man's side. Hopefully them have the little back them over there. Hopefully them have them. Sorry. But yeah, people, as me I say normally, I normally come and say the time frame, the timing normally, like you have to come in a summer for really get some beats, and then, no, like, true me know normally down in Florida, the beats right through. But you know up here, so, when a winter and then you put thing there, certain thing you put out, it's like them little shots, yeah? Them are there Florida right throughout. I just them time alone I can come and come see them in spring and summer and you see me? But after that, be a little winter gears back. And if you notice them shots, them padded certain way, see me, and make like sweats, see me, you see it? So yeah, hopefully I go back down so I can do a video in one of them stories I'm gonna see. When I talk, but when you see shots put up, man, I'll be a bossy shots, man, if you go hang out by the pool slide. I'll mean with my fat self, put on one of them bossy shots, so you know, worries out there, though. Yeah, I've had.
Can I have a
worries.
salon?
Alright, people, I can't find none here. Oh, and later I might just stop at Times Square, yeah, like them shots, are full long of Florida, them little bossy shots, yeah. You see me, yeah. Yeah, later I might just stop at Times Square. Yeah. Just stop this one. Them have little shots, you know. Nah, too. Yeah, them go on. Them have one or a few little shots. But as I say, bag will come full of people. Messing people. Might have to go in a Burlington. And now yesterday mother they can't see there. Yeah, see them have them little thing here. Them money in about them one shop one here, but I don't want that one here. I want the leather purse looking one them. You see me? Yeah. Them want the leather purse looking one. Yeah, and this nobody no people see purse. But I yesterday mother them man. Because of them this. Them this. Yeah, I don't know bad, but I don't know my life. I'm going to Burlington to see if I see them. Everybody, this is supposed to be our name. Hey people, I'm going to Burlington. You see me? But who never know them places are the cheap store them. If you come by. Excuse me, darling. And the line long too, you know, people.
Can I have ladies?
Yeah.
Birthday restaurant, please.
Line long. I think there is a Burlington. Yeah, Burlington down there, so I'm going to Burlington. And as I say, when we're done, we go over there, so it's big building crosses, so yeah, man. We across, so we are going to go, people. Yeah. We across this, so running. So I go on Panama all day. Windy right there, so exit. So use other door. Don't play with me. Okay. But you know, I could have walked through there. Alright, let me see. Alright, back there over there, so. You look womanish again. Oh, woman, I be a woman thing over the side here. So, yeah, ladies, food thing them here, you know. Yeah, sorry about the angle of the camera again, hush. But yeah, food thing them here. Man section over there, so. Want to go back, see if we can find the little back there. But yeah, see, it's very huge. Go way back, so. Walk your son, go over there. Hopefully we'll find the bag then. I see everything but bag, people. Shoes, slippers. Nah, see no bag, you know. Nah, see no bag, even see some household thing, eh. You know, and decor and them little thing there. See decor there. Yeah. The bag more see people. Bag. But people don't want to see the line along, you know. Now just be socks. Socks then. See if you they don't answer. Belt. Be socks and belt. Nothing name bag.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Alright. Give me a cap. You put no bag not there. Marshall's the best bet. I don't buy nothing because I don't see nothing. And if you buy the one today, you would have just for just if I buy that, I really for just put my thing in and know. I don't know I can do that and just return it. Marshall's when you reach back a Florida too. But can't bother with that right now. You see that? I just look like it would have been the section and none of the day. You see me, so I go back over this. So we actually I go out. Line in a movie. I don't know if I want to would I say I don't want to see the female section, yeah. Let's see what it is. No enough I want to say, yeah, I could show you about the female side. Come here, come out. I'm showing all soul things there. Come here, come out. So the female section way over there, so it's the ladies. Out me I come right now. When we done in Florida, I'm showing her back. But I'm say yeah, later I'm gonna show you later I'm gonna stop at Times Square. You see me? Yeah. Later we're gonna stop at Times Square and thing. So yeah. Alright. But I'm about to left right now. Cause the line huge, long line. I'm gonna depend on that right now. Not right now. You see me? Nope. Not right now. We're about to go over this up on the mall. We got JC Penny. All of these places. Yeah, we'll go over there for it lucky. Probably I gonna lock me about 8 o'clock. Alright, so. You see me? Yeah. And as I say, stop at Times Square night there. For even for one little 30 minutes. You see me? Walk on the stretch and thing. Alright? Yeah. But we'll go over here, so I'll check in back when I'm near for reach, alright? Because I'm not really far, but one good little walk. I'm there chat And I know I'm kind of boring. So, I check him back when I'm near it, see? Yeah, I walk around there so and go over there. Alright? So check him back. Alright people, so we're in the mall right now, you know. Yeah. Up on this thing here. Escalator. And yeah, we are go up all the places in there, so Gap, all sort of place, Bath and Body Work. Everything there. Yeah. Everything there people, you see it? Yeah man, everything there up here. You see me? Yeah. Everything is here. As I say, people, I don't come for shop. I just come for a window shopping. Fuck me eyeball, you see me? Yeah. I just that I pray. Bath and Body Work there. For woman them. And the man them too. You see me? Yeah, my people. Only thing I'm going in a Bath and Body Work too. See? Yeah.
Loyal customers,
yeah, people, so I'm in this hot store, or cap store, anything you want to call it. I think I know somebody buy one last cap on me did have. No cap on me ever in enough video. Yeah, with my one cap. I think I know somebody buy it. Some forward. Just say me a pass and say me I gotta just come back in and come look, but them nothing about cap in here. So. And you can get a thing them embroidery on it, like a name and stuff. You can get the embroidery on it. Yeah. Cap like this but a white. Mostly white, but something like that. Some of the style give me sit down will catch my eye again. And of course we'll put cap in and catch my eye. You can get this thing. Embroidery down, just like this. Got my embroidery on right this way. Anything you know I can get the embroidery on from this way. Yeah. Cardi right cap. Yeah. I don't know, might grab something, I don't know. But yeah people, in a called lids. Yeah, the music all playing, copyright. Yeah, the people here, me cut. Yeah, me cut, copyright. Go to the door. Perfume store, Tom Ford and all everything. The people never smelled this a while ago. And the good old Navy, yeah. Old Navy. They sell the good jeans, you know. So look at me, see now. Light blue jeans. Yeah, I'm not them draw me out, people. I'm gonna come to shop and see me a pass some good old Macy's there and pull over there, so I forgot to firm up and hold my head straight. Yeah. Me I go upstairs. Although Macy's supposed to be on the level too. But I go upstairs, people. Can't afford this. Can't magic. I know you're going to say cologne. Cologne, you know, man. Oh God, man. When I think about I go upstairs, you know. I'm not even about I go upstairs. We go around there, so. Yeah. I try to be disciplined, people. I try to be disciplined. Underpants in there? What kind of space looking underpants in there? So, all your woman know why your man come all in her bed with all and your underpants. Me as a man, I never beat them underpants. Good old polo. Polo for beers. Alright, people, you see bag when me I look? I'm showing them. And not this, but something like this. Something like that made I looking at something there. You see me? Yeah. In there. I like the brownies. The brownie is nice still, but the brownie is not an everyday wear. so much feet. The brown is not an everyday wear, $60. Brown is not really an everyday wear, but something like that may I look people. One of them purse, the man purse. Some more down here, so it's like a blue here, but they may look feminine still. They may look like a woman, see. Yeah man, they look feminine. See, but they may mostly have for the man them. May I see still, but the one day when I show you, them have the man one them, just that it make a little bit taller, like it come down more. So the length a little bit tall. No, I'm not gonna find it. So if you don't find it, boy, you see me go back. You go back and fly there because I did it. So I'm Latin cat here, I'm 10 more things. Yeah. Yeah, people, but let's try to be disciplined, you know. Guys, hey, you're going to them places easily. You rack up a couple $100. Easy. Your person says 70% off, 50 to 70%. Let me show you. It's a 50 to 70% off. See there? People from about 3 years ago or more, probably more, about 4 or 5 years ago, that the sign there, so every day on 50 to 70% off. But I really think still, AirPods always have sales still. Remember one day I must go online, go shopping, load up a trolley and everything. When me done buy, amount of things me buy, about $300. Amount of things you must buy, me I tell you people. Couple days after I done buy and since I say, I get an email say yo, my order cancel. You know what go on? Because the thing them be cheap, because you get a 3 shirt for $10 and them something there. Amount of things you must buy people. When I call them and say you know what happen. And I say yo, she knows no problem. When I look the whole the dip on my card and man release for the whole half of the card and just say yo, hold back your money youth. Hold back your money youth. You see me? Good old JC thing. Damn, I running a job. Yeah man, them say hold back your money youth. You see? Yeah. Yeah man, the man them say, yo, hold back your money. I try buy it, man, them just give back my money, people. Amount of things I did buy and see. Man, just run back my money, is it? Yeah. Nail store there. Be a Chinese or Asian in there do nails. Whole heap of nail are there. You see me? Whole heap of nail. People watch it free. Now head out. Now head out, watch out. Oh, see nail store, yeah. The Asian India do nails. But watch it free people. Now head out, because here what going on. I have to walk back around there so we train station there. And then when we done walk around there so we train station there, you know. After I done walk around there, so we train station there, I have to go buy a pass to go up on the train and thing, you see me? Yeah. So people, one thing with New York do, you know, when you come out, like out of the front round there, so when we did walk earlier, be a man out there run taxi. And the train station, I come out around there, so before I go buy the food in the restaurant. Be man, you come out, you come like a Jamaica, them and the taxi. I say, yo, Remember one time I tell somebody about it and them forward and I show them for real. Them I say blood clean. Yeah man, them out them man stunting man, taxi. Yeah, I swear say a yard there. I swear to God. You see me? But yeah, we're in this big empty parking lot of people. I gotta walk go back up. So when we near reach the train station or something, we'll check in back. You see me? Yeah man. Give thanks for all who there and all who watch for the premiere. Yo. Big up who there and who watch for the premiere. You see me? I say, yeah man, big up on yourself man. You see me? We got Times Square, walk up and down. About 30 minutes or I don't know, maybe less. Sure no want to go on this and then we're gonna lock out the video this and I go back in Brooklyn. So when we near reach the train station back around, so I'm sure you see me? Yeah man, 876 by Bert man. Farrin me there. You see me? Yeah, alright. Alright people, so basically they're in front of the train station you know, and as you can see at night now. You see me? Yeah, sunset and everything at night. See the Golden Cross there right there. So and over there is one of them corner store there where them sell the deli them. You know you can go get the chopped cheese and them thing there. New Yorkers you know what I talk about. You know, yeah, like I don't know if it's still a thing still, but I know say one time yo that was a thing, you see me? For running one of them place here, deli store there and get chopped cheese and them thing there, you see me? But yeah, see the train station over where you have the green light. Not much man there hang out you know. As me tell you, say man there hang out and say yo taxi, you see me? Yeah. Here a train, you know, and if I up it I go or come it I come, but I look the 5 train and now for run going at Times Square as me tell you still, is it? So yeah man. So I go down in a train station, in a subway, you know, see? Yeah, like the pan green. Right now I need to look. One of them pass buy something from this. And go this take money, you know. Oh. Yeah, look like it take money. Alright, someone on 2 ride. All on the people. Alright people, I don't know if this is going to flicker. Because sometimes with the LED light it flicker, you see me? Yeah, I'm going to know still. Hold on. Single ride for 2 hours. But, I got more refill the card. Alright, so put in the card this. And then what is add value? Yeah, so this is supposed to be about 2 right. So I got cash $5.80. Alright people, the battery dead. Just I realized that the battery dead people. I forgot to put in my battery, but it's basically so me I do, you see me? I'm going to change the battery. Alright people, so change the battery and everything. I do my thing, I get my receipt, all of that. So right now I go through just a girl papa style while I go, you see. You want to see it. So you swipe it, that's some pay. So yeah, I have $2.90 on it. So that I would have carry go. Which part me I want to come from? Out of my just carrying to go. Yes sir. So it's hopefully light now flicker people, but yeah. Manhattan and Brooklyn. So yes sir we want to go. You see me? So the final battery this me depend people, so don't know anything go. I got stay so. Go and wait. So that's about 2 minutes. Up the say train I go come from. So there, so I go and wait for it in a people, you see me? Yes,
Bridge up Manhattan bound. Local 5, train to Bowling Green. Approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
So this is a Bowling Green, so I go come off and jump on a tour. Come off and jump on a tour because this is called Bowling Green. That's how I can go to Staten Island Ferry and then take it.
5 train. The next stop is Hello Parkway.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Alright people, so we're there now. Yeah, this is called Bowling Green. So I have to come off. I'm going to come off of Bowling Green and then take a tour and continue. Yeah. Alright people, so they are Grand Central. So basically the train, we just remember the 5 train, it not go all the way in Brooklyn at certain time, you see me? So it has stop at one place named Bowling Green. So in that way you can get the Staten Island ferry and them thing there, you see me? So what go on is come off before this up. Come off at Grand Central because if my memory serves me right, we should have been able to take a shuttle. Because this is like the other end at this Times Square this car I'm going on. So we should have been able to take a shuttle for car I'm go there. Let me see something. Yeah, I should have able to get that shuttle. Showing it for people. So I remember say a 2 ride my bike on that sitting there, you know. From my car. I mean I can pay for the next ride still, but I try to find out where the shuttle there. Grand Central big enough people, you can even get the Long Island Railroad train, yes sir. I'm telling the people it's huge. This go way under the earth. Yeah. This is a shuttle on Long Island Railroad, so look like we're there the right way. Yeah. Look like me I go the right way. Got the AC, you see us, so the AC upon this supposed to stand for shuttle. So you can see. Alright, see area. Why a good thing we know for read. Let's see still. But here people, that station are big people, like that station are not play thing. Station are huge. I'm gonna tell you, say if you go on Long Island Railroad, we and there couldn't carry go. But as I said, this is supposed to carry me go the other end. Supposed to carry me go on the other end. So I'm basically there 142nd Street and but me there at the other end. Times Square there the next one. So let's see. Let's see. So people, but they in the train and just me see a sight there. Remind me say a Farrin me there. Yeah. Alphabet boy them man. Come on. So around this Long Island Railroad. Yeah people, may I tell you now. I true can't bother right now. Alright, see shuttle here. Shuttle here carry my car Times Square. Yeah, all them people them can run your fret. I be here run them running like you see it as the train at depart in 2 minutes. But people are be alphabet boy. Oh yeah. Be here run the people them running Be here run them run. New Yorkers, what make you love run so much? Bombard, alphabet boy come on the train. Yo, from the sea, I know say, I say him coming now. From the sea, him come off. There's some I know say, out of Times Square, I go. Yeah, from the sea, him come off, I know, man. I tell you. But back to the converse still, like, New Yorker, make a beer running around. A beer running around. Yo, it is not that serious. I don't think it is that serious. Like, you can't run in a child brother here, watching people are
Times Square will be the next to last stop. Step in.
Alright, so these are the shuttle people, see? Body are run for come up on it. But there's another track over there so we shuttle too. And I guarantee you by the time I go up there so you're gonna see the next one come down. Like, when you do have to run. When me I walk come while ago, some people have broke them neck a while ago come in and look how me easily walk and come in and train. You see me? Nah, if you run like me, I tell you no.
Times Square will be the next to last stop. Thank you for closing doors.
Always I run. Alright, as I said, this I go shuttle me go at Times Square people and I'm gonna say I'm my last batch of this so. I know, I'm gonna tag along, see me. But yeah, New Yorkers, like, why you always run, Bridget? You not always run here? Like, you not ever run, yo. You not always run, B. You can build more while. You can build more while, man. Like, you ever run. The train them run. Like when I rush hour, all every 2 minutes. 5, 6 minutes the most. You know, say, for a weekend or so. On weekend and so, I know say like 20-25 minutes, depending on which part you have still, you see me? But me mostly jump up on the 2 and the 5. I know say I like every 20-25 minutes. And most times people have broke them neck. I like to rush hour when the train run every freaking 2 minutes. I see people have broke them neck and broke them neck and run like we don't need to build. But me there in Jamaica, you know. If you miss one bus, you know, got go with it, you know. Because you don't know when the next one is coming out. At least you have a schedule, you can tell you when it come and when it's said to come, it will come. You see me? They are Jamaican, nothing like that. So I tell you, like, I come see all Jamaicans who left from Jamaica and run and pop them neck.
Times Square transfer needs for the 1237 ACE NQRW.
I look for come up here now because they're underground, so I look for come up going at Times Square, you see me? Yeah. Look at alphabet fruity board up on the train with me. But yeah people, when time I come up still, you see me? Yeah man, when time I come up, they want to capture time in my video, you know? But yeah, when time I come up on top, we'll link on the back, see? Yeah. Alright people, so this is supposed to be 42nd Street and 7th Avenue. Alright people, so we outside. We outside people, we outside. So welcome to Times Square. For all of my yard people them who never been there. Yeah. Now all of my foreign people them too. They live a foreign from how long and never yet shampoo or so. So I don't know, nothing really there so for this still, you know. Big one thing, you know. More than this. Walk down the freaking red step them and go look. Yeah, that's all. I don't really see nothing more there for do. I freaking walk down the red step them go look. And as I say, I'm a final batch of this my depend in the people, so yeah. I have to say I try. See if it favor. People want to think it look like her so far? I don't know. Just smile. I wonder if it look like her so far. Them both are bad still, you know. Yeah. But yeah, people, like as I say, normally nothing really there so for do, you know. And just walk down the red step them and just look, you know. Times Square all day, every day. Whether you're forward day or night. I get no copyright for the Spanish music, yeah, you know. I tell you, but yeah, it's a tourist playground, these people. Everybody have them phones out and, you know, just a show what go on and thing. Yeah, phones out and everybody does do the same thing when me I do right now. Yeah. See me?
Guys, come to go.
Guess them have some little free grab going over there, so I go over there, go check it out and see what go on. If people are performing, I go with a bag of things, you know. Yeah. And I care. I don't know what kind of care that in the people. Once I see a age on it, but I don't know if it's a Honda. I can't see it. Just see what kind of performance some boy are going. Because you have some people are going with a bag of foolishness, you know. When a Spider-Man, a Batman and Superman and all type of man, a flick and do a bag of things. Let's see what them boy are going. For dance, some dance or what. Well, let's see. really get what them do this, so I don't know if it makes sense. I cut people. But them man normally just do a bag of foolishness and, you know, make a money off of it. Yeah. You see it? And the hustling, everywhere you go you find it, you see me? Yeah. When they closer to them, I can see what they must say.
Yo, look to your left and look to your right. We have a positive vibe of all different nationalities and religious backgrounds. So it doesn't matter if you're black, white, Hispanic, Asian, Muslim, gay. He's gay.
Can alphabet thing them are going.
Christians, Jews, or homeless. He's homeless. There's only one race in this world today, and that's the human race. So love yourself and make some noise. Yes. Hey guys, if you don't clap, you look racist. Shut up. White boy, you better clap, white boy. Hey guys. Hey, no more jokes. Here's the fun part. We have no insurance for you guys. No insurance at all. So guys, from the heart, if you donate $10, $15, thank you, we love you. It could be your last $20. Thank you, I love you. But ladies, if you donate $50 to $100, he'll go home with you tonight. I saw already. He cooks it clean, right? Guys, we have a great grand finale. But first, give us 60 seconds to come around and collect some donations, all right? Show your love, that's your anger. The money is not for us, it's for the landlord. Here we go. All donations from the heart. We're doing something positive, not negative.
Granted. You the people in my plane and play something now. Get copyright, man.
Work my way down. Anybody wants to donate, show your love.
But
I'm gonna start over here. Anybody
this was dancehall music, Rich.
Sign, let it fly. Show you look rich. If one person will give, nobody gives. You gotta start over. Show your love, guys.
Yes, brother, this was dancehall music, Rich. No for them people that don't even know blood clip, dirty foot TJ, though. So the dog there? Alright, me a cut still cause the copyright thing real, you know. See why you bounce the rhythm? Alright. Dance I'll do that. DJ from Moby. Alright. You see it? That me I tell you people. Jamaican culture to you well. Enough of them people I don't know TJ. I know say TJ. Remember TJ say yo? TJ say rags to riches, man. Enough of them don't know him, never know him. When you hear dancehall music rich people, even though this is New York City and Jamaican culture rich as a still, but Times Square have people from everywhere. You see me? Yeah, people from everywhere. Right across the whole freaking world. Come here say, you see me? So yeah. But I look for cross, you know, still people want cross here, so. Yeah, people from right across the world, Europe, everywhere. Everywhere. And DJ are playing. Look at them not have a clue who that is. But yeah, big up Jamaica and the culture, you see me? Yeah man, big up DJ too. I dog say from rags to riches. Alright, so normally when the people them circle here so them just go pre the red step them. Who want go up they go take picture or whatever they want to do. Yeah. What people? My battery are running low now. 24%. But see the red step them they over there, so the one bag of people in bungalow. Just go out there. try do a little, you know, get a little view from up there, and then run in at the subway and take on myself go back in Brooklyn, you see me? So I don't know how the battery life are gonna last, but when I don't know. Who them people? Here people I take picture. Every angle is a picture moment. When I walk, I just loan picture I take. Don't know Times Square still. He want to sell me a picture. He want to sell me a picture. But they have video. Bro, I have a camera in my hand. Why you want to sell me a picture?
Hello, bro. No, my bad.
Basically they're on the last step people, so this is it. Great Times Square. People, and this is how to end the video right now, you know. Yeah. Because battery there what 10% right now with a alone. So in the video I say. So bless up on yourself and the people who don't know the thing, you know. Big up all who watch from the beginning, all who watch from the premiere. You see me here, that means when the video does drop and you decide to tune in. Bless up on yourself, man. Do remember to click like, share, comment, subscribe to the thing. You see me I say? Yeah man, Rika, big up yourself, you know. I use to turn on the camera while I'm there though. So that is how we do stuff. As I say people, at the first that video, one of the first video them with a new camera. I'm not finish tune up the settings them yet, and I'm not kinda get adjusted back to the holding the camera in my hand like this and all of them something so the angle. So I know the video not 100% rare, but big up yourself if you watch to the end. You see me I say? Yeah man, we'll get there man, you see it? Yeah man, up and running man, 876 by Bertha, the rapper in Jamaica, and Farrin me there. You see me? Big up on yourself and my people. As we say at Times Square there, you know. Yeah man, mad move man, I don't know the thing, but big up them people there back at me, you know. I don't know them, I don't know where they come from. You see me what big them up. You see me? Yeah man, how do I see this, you know? Yeah, big up yourself. Give me big up yourself, you see me, you don't know the thing, but mad love man, you see it? I'm out my people a little bit, yeah? Yeah.
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want.